Turns out the bread truck might be in trouble. Some of the bolt holes that I replaced on the transmission bell housing where they go into the adapter plate are a little stripped. And on the right side of the bell housing is not tight. It's not cinched up there tight. So there's a little bit of play. And I gotta figure out what to do here. I was supposed to leave today, but I don't feel too comfortable. I can show you what I'm talking about. You may be able to see it on camera. I don't know, but I need a game plan. This is kind of like a call for help, a cry for help. I'm in Orlando, Florida. If there's any mechanic people out there that watch my channel that may be able to facilitate something with this, this is kind of beyond my comprehension level. But anyways, let me show you what this thing looks like when I hit the clutch. You can kind of see on camera that there's a, it doesn't look exactly tight. This side is nice and tight. The bolts here are in pretty well. But this side, there's a little gap there. But watch when I press the clutch. You're going to see it open. You see there's a little gap there? It's a little change. Here, let me zoom. See that? I'm just afraid that that's going to get worse and worse really quickly. So I don't know what to do. Like, I've never used rethreading stuff, and I don't have any of that stuff. But I'm good with taking the whole transmission back out. I could do that myself in probably about an hour. I would probably need a little help lifting it out, actually, but I could unbolt the whole thing and have it out pretty quickly. I don't want to do all that, but then if someone could just come drill the holes and thread them out, you know, thread them and get the right fasteners to go in there, that would be super helpful. I don't know, it doesn't need much. It needs labor. It doesn't need, you know, much money in parts or anything, but yeah, I don't know. If there's somebody that can help a bread trucker out, that would be awesome. Even if it's just PayPal, the link is in the description below, because this is getting a little costly. But yeah, I'm gonna try to come up with a game plan here with local people in town. Sorry for all the handheld camera stuff. Here's this. The bread truck just went over 150,000 miles. I never catch it when it turns like all zeros, but yeah, 150,000 miles. This bread truck better keep going. I'm gonna try to find a couple bolts and nuts. There's 3 places I could put those to cinch this up and make it tight. So that's my next plan of attack. If I try that and it still doesn't like not have any play, I'm gonna have to figure something else out. But please, if you guys are out there and you know something about these type of Frankenstein swaps with Cummins 4BTs and adapter plates and Ford bell housings and Borg Warner transmissions, you know, let me know, because I'm starting to run out of options here. I don't really know what else to do. Help me. Help. I want to leave. Yeah, just kidding. But I would really appreciate a hand. Like I said, I'm in Orlando, Florida. You can hit me up on Facebook and Twitter. I'm the Bread Trucker. And Instagram. Yeah. So those are linked in the description below. Thanks, guys. Hope to hear from you soon and get back on the road immediately.